Hey Kevin, this is Eddie here with G Marketing Solutions. Just wanted to shoot this little video here for you real quick to give you some strategies on how you can improve your website and land more clients. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, today I'm going to be talking to you about 3 simple things that you can improve on. Number 1, we're going to be talking about content. Number 2, we'll be talking about links. And number 3, we'll be talking about citations. Now, if at the end of the video you are somewhat a little bit confused or you have a couple questions, feel free to shoot me any questions you may have, or leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think about this video, because I want to make sure I bring enough value to you to help you grow your business. So let's go ahead and get started with content. So when I take a look at your website, I see that you have a beautiful looking website. It's perfectly set up with your branding, your logo over here on the top left hand side corner, and I love the fact that you are able to collect leads coming into your website. So that's awesome. However, one thing I want to point out is that your website is it's missing a lot of content, and what I mean by that is Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words of content on the homepage, because if you don't have a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your homepage, Google won't find you relevant when it comes down to ranking you on the Google results. Okay, so it's very important that we get some more content. I can see here that you got a couple hundred words of content, but that's pretty much it. I also noticed that you are marketing on Facebook, Thumbtack, and Home Advisor, so I'm sure these areas are costing you money. But if you can add more content on your homepage, you will begin to start the process of becoming more relevant on Google. The next thing I want to talk to you is about backlinks. Okay, so backlinks. What are backlinks? See, the website is basically created of nothing but links pointing back and forth to each other, trying to tell Google which website is the most relevant website on the internet for a specific service. So for example, they're trying to tell Google, like, hey, this is the best carpet cleaning company in Topeka, or this is the best Pizza Hut in Topeka. And the more links you have pointing back to your website, the more popular your website will be in that area to Google's eyes, therefore resulting in ranking you higher. And how do we do that? We go after more high quality links, so websites that have power that will link back to your website. And I know this may sound a little bit confusing, but let me give you an example. So I did a quick search on Google to see who is the top carpet cleaning company in the area, and I noticed that Bob's Janitorial was number 2 on the Google results. And so when I put their website in here, I noticed that they have 83 websites, so 83 referring domains pointing back to their website, giving them 333 backlinks. Okay, and again, it's like a popularity contest. Whichever website has the most backlinks wins, right? But not all backlinks are created equal. Here we have 2 different factors. Right here, you're looking at the power, okay, and this is the trust. So the higher these numbers are, the higher you are likely to rank and be found on Google. So the type of qualities you have, the type of backlinks you have, is going to determine the type of quality of power and trust, right? So the higher these numbers are, the more backlinks you'll have, the more keywords you're going to be found for, resulting in getting you more visitors to your website. Now, when I look at your website here and I input it in here, I notice that you're only being found for 1 keyword, but you don't have any links at all whatsoever, and you're getting 0 traffic. Okay, absolutely 0 traffic. And that's hurting you, because when we look at your competitor, right, Bob's Janitorial, they're landing 254 visitors every single month, and it's also growing. But the good news for you is that they're building their backlinks, and they're not really high quality links. And how do I know that? When I scroll down here, you can see that the type of links that they're getting, right, URL rating, they're getting really low level links. Okay, most of the links are pretty low level. However, what we can do, if we want to outbeat your competition, we can come in here into the backlinks, see what backlinks they're getting, directing back to their website, and we can go after all of these links, Kevin. We can go after every single one of these links that's currently giving them power and trust to Google, and we can go after those exact same links for your website so that you can start getting trust and power as well, right? Building up your backlinks. And it doesn't stop there, Kevin. See, once we start getting some of these backlinks, right, we want to keep building from there, right? So we want to keep on going. So let's say they only have 83 websites, giving them 333 backlinks. Well, we want to go get 100 websites, getting 500, 600, 700 backlinks. The higher you go, the better it is for you, and the more traffic you'll begin to get. Okay. The next thing I want to point out is the keywords. See, I did a little bit of keyword research for you, and I wanted to see what people were searching for in the Topeka area when it came down to your services. So I noticed that you guys do a lot of carpet cleaning, window cleaning, and things of that nature. So I did a little spreadsheet here, and I found all of the top 13 keywords that are getting the most traffic right now on Google. And if you want, you can pause this video, but you can see here we have carpet cleaning Topeka, Kansas being the top one with 350 searches, carpet cleaning Topeka 80 searches, carpet cleaning Topeka, Kansas 50 searches, and the list goes on, resulting in just with these 13 keywords, right, getting 900 searches per month. Okay, now out of 900 searches a month, ask yourself, how many clicks can you get to your website if you're on the front page of Google with 900 people searching for your service every single month, right? And so that's the power of being on Google. And right now, Bob's Janitorial, right? So they're landing a lot of they're landing a good chunk of this traffic. The only question is, why aren't you, right? And it's not that they are hard to beat, because like I said, they have a very low power score, right? This is the strength of their website. It's very weak. That's zero. That's 1 out of 100. And that all has everything to do with the fact that they got some really low level links. So if we go after higher quality links and we take all the links that they also have and beat them in this area, we're going to be able to get more backlinks, more traffic, and help you get found there. So again, these are all the keywords that you could potentially be ranking for. We could go after carpet cleaning Topeka, Kansas. That one alone would have your phone ringing off the hook. All right. Now, I don't know if you service any of the Lawrence area, but I found a couple here, you know, getting you a couple searches per month. We can go after some of these if you service the Lawrence area, and doing this will enable you to, you know, stay busy. Maybe you can hire a few more people. The next thing I want to talk about, now that we talked about backlinks, is the final part, and that is citations. Now, when I did carpet cleaning Topeka, I did a quick search. I noticed that obviously you're not down here on the organic searches, okay? But here's Bob's Janitorial number 2, and you got Stanley Steamer number 1, right? But I noticed that you're not right here in what we like to call the map pack, okay? You're not up here. You might be in there buried somewhere, but about 60 to 80% of the traffic that comes to Google clicks on any of these listings when they're looking for service right now. So anyone looking for carpet cleaning Topeka right now, they're going to click on any of these. And if they don't like any of these, then they're going to go to the organic search. But majority of them click right here. And if you're not right here, Kevin, you're missing out on a lot of phone calls, a lot of estimates that you could be doing every single day, keeping your people busy. All right. So the question is, how do you get your business listed on here? How do you get up here? Right. And so for these specific search terms like carpet cleaning Topeka, it's very important that we get you citations. And what are citations? Citations are pretty much listing your business in high quality directories. So here's a tool that I use called White Sparks to basically see how many directories businesses are currently being listed under. And I see here that your business only has 13 directories. So if I take a look in here, I can see that you've listed your business in Facebook, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, Manta. See all of these directories, right? And here's the amount of power you're getting from all of them. But when we look at your competitor out here, so Steam Power Carpet Cleaning, which is the number 1 guy right here on the map pad, we want to see how many citations he has. We see that he has 28. Okay, he has 28 citations. So what we can do, Kevin, is we can go after all the citations that he has that you don't have, right? And then continue to build off that. Okay, so he has all of these citations, right? A lot of them you don't have. So if we go after all of those citations, Kevin, and we pass him up, so he has 28. If we get you 40, 50, 60 citations over time, you're going to dominate this entire area right here. So you can have your business listed right here. So when people type in carpet cleaning Topeka, Kansas, which is currently getting 350 searches a month, you can start landing all that traffic, getting all those phone calls. And then also we can work on getting your content on your website up. So 1,500 words of content on your main homepage, and then additional content on your service pages. Get all that content up there. And then, Kevin, you can start to begin to get found for all of these keywords as well. So when we combine content, backlinks, keywords, and citations, that's a recipe for success when it comes to ranking your business on Google. And so if you have any questions, Kevin, after watching this video, please feel free to send me a message. Let me know what you think about this video. Give me some feedback. I'm actually reaching out to a lot of carpet cleaning businesses like yours in the Topeka area and really just everywhere in the country. But I'm looking for people that I personally know right now that I want to bring value to and help as well. And so I know the importance of generating leads. And I know it can be hard when you are the business owner trying to run the business yourself and keep yourself and your people busy. So if you want more information about this, or if you want to do this yourself, feel free to do so. But I'm here for you if you need me. Just go ahead and reach back out to me. With that being said, you have a great day. Bye-bye.